Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the simplest way possible. No stress, no effort. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding naturally. Today's video is about a brand that almost everyone in the world knows, McDonald's. But how did this global giant start with just one small restaurant? Let's explore the fascinating story of how McDonald's went from a single burger stand to a symbol of American culture and fast food around the world. The story begins in 1940. When Richard and Maurice McDonald, also known as the McDonald brothers, opened a small drive-in restaurant in San Bernardino, California. Their menu was simple: burgers, fries, and milkshakes. But what made them different was their innovative, speedy service system. They designed a kitchen that worked like an assembly line, allowing them to serve food fast, consistently, and cheaply. This concept caught the attention of Ray Kroc, a milkshake machine salesman. In 1954, he visited the McDonald brothers and was amazed by their efficiency and vision. Ray Kroc saw an opportunity to take their system nationwide and beyond. In 1955, he opened the first McDonald's franchise in Des Plaines, Illinois, and started building what would become a fast food empire. Under Ray Kroc's leadership, McDonald's grew rapidly. He introduced strict quality standards, a consistent menu, and strong branding. The Golden Arches became a symbol of fast, affordable food. By the 1960s, McDonald's had spread across the United States and began opening locations around the world. One key to McDonald's success was its focus on family-friendly service. They introduced the Happy Meal for kids, added playgrounds to many locations, and used fun mascots like Ronald McDonald to attract younger audiences. McDonald's wasn't just a restaurant. It became a family destination. The company also adapted to local cultures. For example, in India, where beef is not commonly eaten, McDonald's offers chicken and vegetarian options. In Japan, you can find shrimp burgers. This ability to respect local tastes while keeping the brand consistent has helped McDonald's succeed in more than 100 countries. But McDonald's hasn't just been about food. It has played a role in defining American pop culture and has been featured in movies, TV shows, and even political debates. Whether you love it or criticize it, McDonald's represents something bigger: the power of branding, innovation, and global reach. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. I hope you enjoyed learning about the story of McDonald's and how it became one of the most famous companies in the world. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is super important for mastering English and understanding American culture. Please give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us keep growing and making better videos for you. See you in the next one.